Hi. So far we have learned that how to update the information of a table. Now we are going to move to know that how to delete the data of a table on the basis of some provided criterias. First of all, I am going to just select the data of my table to know that how many records are there. Select start from employee info and just keep it, remember that database name should be selected from the uh, drop down of available database list, this one. To execute the query you can press F5 or you can press the execute button. Okay, this is the result of our table where 6 records are residing in our database. Let's move to delete a record where employee ID is 4. Okay. To delete, the keyword is delete space table name, which is employee info. Then you have to provide the criteria. Write the keyword where employee ID is equals to this one 4. If I will execute this statement, it will delete the row having employee ID 4 where name is equal to Ibrahim and address is JKL Lane UK. Okay, let's execute the delete statement. Just one thing that you will have to keep in your mind before deleting any update statement or any delete statement, that you will always have to provide the where clause, which should be validated with intensive care, as if you will ignore to write the where clause or you mistakenly provided a wrong where clause, then this could impact your whole table as well. For example, if I write the delete statement without any where clause, it will delete the complete data of my table. Okay, and same is the case for update statement as well. Or if I place a wrong where clause, for example, if I use a column, for example date of birth, and say that all those records should be deleted where date of birth is like this, then it will delete all those records where date of birth is this, and you can see that there are multiple records where same date of birth exists. Okay, so please analyze your data that you want to delete and identify the proper key through which you are going to delete the data. Okay, just come back to our original query, which was where employee ID is equals to 4. Let's execute the statement. Okay, it says one row affected. Okay, now just perform the select statement. Okay, you can see that the employee ID 4 has been disappeared from the data table. Microsoft SQL Server does not bound you to use a specific key or column to perform your update or delete statements. You can use any column, but again you will have to ensure that what would be the impact of your delete or update statement. So far we have learned the basic queries of SQL Server, that how to perform the select queries, how to perform the insert queries, how to write the delete and update queries. And now we can move towards different type of and different flavors of SQL Server queries. Thank you for watching. Please be with me to proceed further. Thank you.